For those who find it hard to see their smartphone, I will show you how to use Line on a PC. Many people seem to think that Line can only be used on a smartphone, but it's actually very easy. I have turned 65 years old. Now, due to presbyopia, it's hard for me to read text on my smartphone. I want to view the Line app when usually used on my PC. When I looked it up, I found out that it's possible to use Line on a PC. Here's how to use Line on a PC. 1. Open Line on your PC. 2. Open the QR code scan in the Line app on your smartphone. 3. Scan the QR code to log in. 4. Now you can use Line on your PC. Now, I will clearly explain the actual steps using slides. 1. Open Line on your PC. Download the Line app on your PC and open the Line app. When you open the Line app, this screen will appear. Scan the QR code on the right. Two, open the QR code scanner in the Line app on your smartphone. Press and hold the Line app icon on your smartphone. Then, options like New Chat will appear below the Line app. Among the options, you'll find the QR code scanner around the middle. Tap on this QR code scanner. Three, scan the QR code to log in. The camera will activate. Use this camera to scan the QR code. You have scanned the QR code. Then the screen will appear. It will ask, "Do you want to log in?" Tap the green login button at the bottom of the screen. Four, you can now use Line on your PC. After tapping Login, Line will start on your PC. Now, you can use Line on your PC. It's now easier to read Line messages on your PC. It really helped you a lot. Moreover, you can easily organize your hobby photos on your PC. You can also send your favorite photos to your friends using Line.